Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 tips along with 2 bonus tips that can actually help you to make more money on YouTube. And I would highly suggest you to be with me till the very end of this video, whether you are a YouTuber or you are someone who is planning to start a career on YouTube. This video will go over a few important points that you need to know before you get started on your YouTubing journey. So the very first thing I really want to suggest you is that you should forget the views, you should forget the subscriber counts if you really want to make some serious money on YouTube. And you must know these 6 things that I'm going to share with you in this video, especially the last one. And for those of you who want to make even more money, I will share with you 2 bonus tips at the end of this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first tip that I have for you is understand quality views. For example, you may have a video with 1 million views that makes you $0, or you may have a video with 1000 views that makes you $1000. So you need to understand the difference between high quality views and low quality views, and high quality subscribers and low quality subscribers. So how does this work? Let me give you an example. So let's say you have a funny fact video that's showing some funny moments, and let's say the video gets 1 million views, but you have, let's say, only 500 subscribers. So you cannot monetize it on YouTube, and you also do not have any offer there. So you make $0 out of that particular video. Then let's say there is another person who has a YouTube channel with 500 subscribers, but he creates a review of some expensive product, and then he has an affiliate link in the description, and he says, if you want to buy this product, click on the link below, go there and buy it. So people watch the video, they click the link in the description, and the video creator, even though he has only 1000 views, he earns more money than the person who had 1 million views. So you may have a small amount of view, but you can make a significant amount of money, right? So let's take another example to understand this point even better. So let's say you have a video that gets 10,000 views, but the viewers are from let's say 15-year-old teenagers from Bangladesh, India, or Pakistan. And then you have another video that gets 10,000 views, but the viewers in this case are from let's say business owners from California, United States, Brazil. So which is gonna make you more money? The video with less views but the quality views, because those people usually have more money in their pocket, right? So it means that they are gonna buy your product more likely. And also advertisers will spend more money on your YouTube video because the audience is targeted in the US for the people who are business owners. So you need to understand that the quality of subscribers and the quality of views matter a lot when it comes to making money on YouTube. Like when you see 2 channels both have, let's say, 10,000 subscribers, it doesn't mean at all that they would make the same amount of money. Or let's say 2 videos that have 1 million views, it doesn't mean at all that they are making the same amount of money. Now let's say there is a music video that gets 10 million views, and there is a video about a business topic that gets 1 million view, let's say. So this is 100% sure that the video with business topic that gets 1 million views is gonna make more money than the music video with 10 million views. And that's the power of this strategy. So now let me share with you the next tip. So the next tip that I have for you is pick a specific niche. So I have seen so many new people starting on YouTube, and they publish video about everything, literally about everything. They make videos about travels, they make videos about cooking, designing, and everything. They talk about everything in their video. But if you want to make a career on YouTube, if you want to make some serious money on YouTube, you need to pick a specific niche. You need to pick a specific topic. And by the way, this will also help your followers, because they know that you are always publishing videos about the same topic, right? Think about it. There are, for example, marketing training portals like the SSM Academy or IID. So people who subscribe for those channels, they know what to expect. They know that okay, they are marketing training portals, they only talk about marketing, right? So in the same way, you pick one topic, and as a best practice, you should pick something that you are really passionate about. It can be anything. Like it can be, for example, traveling. It can be, for example, let's say cooking, dating, or anything it could be, right? However, the most important thing to keep in mind is that you cannot make all of them at the same time. That's not a good approach in my opinion, especially when you're just starting out, right? So of course, later if you want to broaden your topic, you want to talk about more topics, things, you may do it, but start with something very specific. It will help you to grow faster and also to make more money if that's your goal. Now, the tip number three that I have for you is model success. So you can save thousands of hours, you can save like hundred of hours with this very simple tip. And this is like so powerful. I see so many YouTubers, they just try new things. They think like maybe this will work, maybe that will work, and this and that. Now here, what you need to do is, they will take, for example, 10 similar channels that are publishing videos about the same topic that you are in, and then you take a look at their most popular videos, for example, during the last month, not the most of it, because videos like 2 years ago, 5 years ago, it doesn't gonna help you anymore, especially if you work in technology or something that gets updated day by day. So if you create about the same topic that those channels have got most views, you may also get higher or more views in your video as well. So you take a look at a few popular channels that are similar to your YouTube channel, and you see like what kind of videos are getting lots of views recently for them, and you create something similar by observing other channels. And in this way, you can also get ideas for thumbnails, titles, tags, and everything. This way, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Simply, you just model what is already working, right? So this will save you like hours and hours and hours. And most importantly, most of the time on average, it takes more published video. It takes time to become viral. It takes time to grow your channel. So this is not a get rich quick thing, but this is a get rich for sure thing. Now, the next tip that I have for you is thumbnails. So you should focus on creating catchy thumbnails, and the most important thing in your YouTube video is usually the thumbnail, because if your thumbnail sucks, people are not gonna click it, right? But if your thumbnail is great, more people are gonna click your thumbnail, and YouTube is gonna promote your YouTube video to more and more people, right? More people are gonna see your video, and it starts getting more views, more likes, more subscribers, and things like that. So, and again, you don't need to be super perfect with creating thumbnails from the beginning, but I recommend that you put some effort in creating thumbnails, and after you have done this, just keep your eyes on YouTube analytics, and just see like what is walking and how many people are clicking your thumbnail, what's your CTR, what's the average time that people are spending watching your video. So you need to analyze what works in your niche, and the results may surprise you. And when you are creating thumbnails, the three most important things that have worked for me, and again this may work for you as well. So what often works for me is putting, for example, a number in the thumbnail, then also not putting too many words, because at the beginning I was putting too many words in a thumbnail, and the font was too small, so it was a little kinky, right? So there were so many things going on, and I have seen many beginners make this blunder mistake as well. So please do not put too many words, and also using bright colors is super effective in getting people's attention. And again, this may depend upon the industry that you're in, but in my case, bright colors, numbers, and then also not having too much text is something that have worked for me. So now the next tip that I have for you is titles. So you should focus on creating super attractive titles, and if you ignore this, people are not going to click your video. So this is extremely important. Title is extremely important, and here are a couple of things that usually work for titles. First of all, if you're targeting some keywords and you want to get ranked on YouTube, it's usually starting with that keyword that helps you to get ranked higher. For example, if you're trying to get ranked on a specific keyword, like let's say for some product review, you put that product review in the beginning of the title in order to get ranked, and this will help you to get ranked higher with the YouTube algorithm. Now the second tip is that you use numbers. Of course, again, not always necessary, but this is something which is which has worked for me and for my clients as well, and you may try it, it may work for you as well. Now the third thing is to leave some information gap, like do something that forces people to click. For example, telling something like what they don't want you to hear, or something like 10 secrets reveal. So something like people need to click it to know it. You need to evoke that curiosity to get people click on your titles. The concept is super simple. Now, the tip number 6 that I have for you is analyze your analytics. So, YouTube gives you a tons of numbers, a lot of data, a lot of numbers that will actually help you to make more money on YouTube more easily, because you can see what is working and what doesn't work. So, it makes your process much easier in the future. For example, I have learned what kind of titles work, what kind of tags work. So, you should analyze your video performance in order to grow your channel, right? So now, as I promised to give you two bonus tips to make even more money. So the number one bonus tip that I have for you is become an affiliate YouTuber. So you need to have some offer that you promote if you want to make even more money through your YouTube videos. Now there are different strategies for making money on YouTube, and I will also probably come up with a video where I will be discussing all the different strategies that can actually help you to make money through your YouTube videos. So you can make money from YouTube ads, you can make money from promoting someone else's product, like as an affiliate YouTuber, or you can make money by promoting your own product as well. But in my experience, people who have some product in the description, who promote something, on average they make more money than those who just who just focus only on YouTube ads. So of course you need to balance a little bit, because if people click your links in your description and they go away from YouTube, YouTube doesn't like it. So you may need to have some sort of balance, like sometimes you focus on promoting some link, sometimes you don't focus on that too much. So you need to have some balance, right? But if you have some products that you promote, for example other people's product as an affiliate YouTuber, usually this will lead you to earning more money in the process. Now the next tip that I have for you is strong call to action. So you should have some strong call to action in the video. And what I've seen in my experience is that most people, they say something like, hey, if you like the videos, share it and subscribe it, click the bell notification or something like that. But you don't necessarily need to do that. As the call to action of your video, you can mention something like how to get in touch with your business, or it could be something like promoting a lead magnet where people can get something useful for sharing their personal information. And there are many PLR sites which will actually help you to get a lead magnet. You don't need to work a lot to come up with a lead magnet. So this way you are not only just focused on making money, but you are also aware of lead generation, which later on will help you to grow your channel, right? So you can have different kind of call to action in your video, but always remember to have some sort of strong call to action. So these are the things, these are the important things that I wanted to share with you. And now if you have any question on this, please feel free to leave a comment below. I will definitely answer all your questions to help you achieve your career goal. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.